Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. In today's lecture of Unit 1, buckle up. We will first of all learn some new vocabulary words, then their meanings, and then you will use those words in your creative sentences. And at the end, we will learn about multisyllabic words. So, let's get started. First of all, let us see at the new words. The first word is exclaimed, agreement, pit stops, crowd, admired, eagerly, lapse, maintained, dismay, checkered. Okay, now let's come to their meanings. Exclaimed means to speak suddenly, as in surprise. Agreement is the situation in which people have the same opinion. Pit stops means a stop during a race for fuel. Crowd is a large group of people. Admired means the feelings of respect for someone or something. Eagerly means a strong feeling to do or have something. Laps means number of circuit of tracks during a race. Maintained means continued. Dismay means shock. Checkered means pattern of black and white squares. Now that you know some of the new words and their meanings, learn these words and their meanings by heart and then use these words in your creative sentences. Write them on a loose sheet. Now, let's come to our today's topic. So, open page number 8 so that we can read A Day at the Races. Try to read this unit on your own or with the help of someone in your family. Now, let's come to the learning key. In the text, you saw some of the highlighted words. So, many large words are used to make the story more interesting. These are called multisyllabic words. These words can be divided into many parts to help us read and spell them. For example, in the first line on page 8, there was the word exclaimed. So, it is divided into three parts, exclaimed, and hence it becomes easier to read. Now, let's do an activity which is make a list of other multisyllabic words you have read in this unit. For example, there was a word agreement. It can be divided into three parts, agreement, and excitedly. It has four parts, excitedly. Now, you also try to make these multisyllabic words from all the highlighted words given in this unit and write them on a loose sheet.